live in plant, but we have more than the regulatory requirement. They are like our friends now and like our family.
Moreover, we have an agreement with the local villages that every year how many people we will employ from the local nearby villages.
So these
And
three village,
we are
there is a
honoring that agreement.
there is a 3 village committee who is supervised by 3 village chairmen here. He monitors employment every day, and he also recommends local employees to us. And based on the selection criteria, we appoint every year.
So would you say all the allegations are baseless, that there's a lot of smoke emitting or a lot of health hazards that these Topcem?
No, even we are coming up with waste heat recovery plant. We have spent 120 crores on waste heat recovery. Now even the smoke will be converted to the fuel. That is the pollution department. Other departments are encouraging now. Now sir is the in charge of waste heat recovery system. 120 crores has been spent only to capture the dust and the gases and to convert into the power for the benefit of everyone. There is a reservation, but for the technical posts, you need to have a BTech degree or electrical degree, or for mechanical, you have to have mechanical degree. You cannot employ electrical degree to mechanical, and vice versa. So we have sufficient data to prove. We have given every time good employment to all field, even civil people, electrical people in the electrical field, mechanical people in the mechanical field. And those who are not any degree holder in mechanical, electrical or civil, we give them job in HR department, we give them supervisory jobs, we give them driver jobs. So they are happy. And then we also take care of the Minimum Wages Act. So they are being paid handsomely now.
So as of now, like how many local population working here in your
Exactly
factory?
numbers I am not having right now.
But you-
So as I told
Percentage-wise?
you that we
Sir?
have an agreement with the
Percentage-wise?
local villages and how many people we have to employ.
Your name?
My name is V. K. Pant. I am Senior Vice President Technical in Meghalaya Cements.
Was the public hearing successfully held, or what were the outcome?
Yes, it was held successfully.
Can you highlight? Can you explain a little bit about today's incident? Because lots of people coming here to oppose this expansion of this project.
I explained that. There are only little people from a distant village. For their malified interest, they want to create some problem and throw the impression that we are against. But it is not so. You have seen in the public hearing, the villagers are in support. All the villages, 3 villages, nearby villages, everyone is in support of Topcem because we support them in their needs. We make roads for them. We have made them street lights. We have made them churches. Now we have given them lot of local employments. Every year we give them performance appraisals. Even on our technical post, they are appointed. We have NOC from all the villages nearby. We have Ilaka NOC also. We have Doloi NOC also. So people at large are supporting us. But all 5 fingers are not equal. So there are small boys, kids like figures who are opposing. So we'll try to convince them also and bring to the mainstream, and we'll also try to give them technical education so that also they think technically and they support the cause on larger basis.
But most of them, they are concerned about the environment. So what do you have to say on that?
In this area, our company is on the top when environment is concerned. We are complying by all the regulatory requirements. Each and every report is being published publicly. We have also submitted with the Environment Pollution Control Board. Our company is ISO 14001 for environment.
However,